Okay, clap. Jump out, referee, get ready. Ben. Dato daw muna, sabi ni assistant ng assistant.
Mario, referee. Patay-technical foul ka.
Librato. Okay, let's go. Team D versus Team L. Last game of the year, 2025. Maglalaban na po ang dalawang punan na walang labanan. Nauna ang talon, Jeremy Santos, nakuha ni Peko. 2 points, number 11, Peko. Hindi mo na, Peko. Ayan. Number 3, giving the ball, pass to number 50. 50 for 3 points, hindi na po. Back to number 3. Jeremy Santos. It's a foul. It's foul. Foul number 91. Palo. Si Palo. Foul si Palo. First free throw. It's good for Erwin Santos. Okay, Santos gets both free throws. It's a tie score, 2-2. Paulo dribbling the ball, pass to Peko. Peko nagahan ng papasaan. Binigay ni Bautista for 3. No good. Rebound by Erwin Santos. Binababa na ball. Bola ni Santos. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Montes. Rebound by Bautista, pass to Leonard, at Mintes, pinalik. Number 17 for 2 points, it's good. Obanyana, 2. It's a 3-point by Bato, General Bato, 3. General Bato, Bondok, 3 points. Pinawihan agad ni Peko, 2 points. Kumakaway pa si Peko, sumakay ka pa raw. 6-5 daw ang score. Pinasa kay Erwin Santos. Airball.
Hindi ka binibigyan ng pick.
Okay, Leonard, dribbling the ball. Dala-dala po ni Leonard ang bola. Baka gusto iuwi. Huwag may iuwi, Leonard. Pasa mo. 22, pass to Peko. Peko for another 2, miss. Rebound by Bondo. Bondo on the ground. Is it a foul? It's a second foul for Palo, number 91. Second team foul. Pangalawang foul ng Palo. Sa Tagalog ay Palo. Erwin Santos, may dalang bola. Nagpapasahan, walang pinasahan, wala pa rin mapasahan. Binigay kay Mario. Mario, naghanap ng pasahan, wala. Okay. Score still 5 and 6. Bautista, nangihingi ng bola. Puti, sa itim. Pinas is number 17, it's 2 points. 8-5 in favor of white. Mario naghahanap. Hindi, nag-dribble, titira, tumira ng 3 si Mario. It's no good. Rebound by Ernie Santos. Bautista pa. Palo, no good. What a beautiful drive by Palo. But missed the shot. Pondo, lumabas ulit sa 3. Another 3-point by General Bato. It's a miss at this time. Rebound by Erwin Santos. Wala pa rin. Santos for next try. Foul, General Bato. Number 17, nagkahanap. Pinasa kay Peko. Peko for 2. It's good. 10-5 in favor of White. Bautista. Nakuha po ang pass out of palo to number 17. Another 2 points. It's a 12-5. 7 points lead by the White team. Arthur for 2. No good. A rebound by Tado. Pasa kay Peko to Bautista. Bautista for 3. No good. Rebound by Santos. 5-5. Namumuna ang 5. Binigay sa 18. 18 sa 50. 50. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. It's a time.
Mario, dalawang minute na.
Ako yung first strike ko siya.
Okay, next possession. White team.
Hangover pa, hangover.
It's a blank possession, ref. Dennis, hindi mo na, Dennis. There you go. There you go.
Ikaw yung nanalo ng isang
Okay,
130.
Blanco, according to the referees.
Si Cortez yung magkano?
Sa kasuloy na eh, Cortez.
Uy! Sa unang pagkakataon, naglaro na uli si Mr. Uy. Kaya pala naman ang hindi, kasi wala si Uy. There you go. Palakpakan po natin si Mr. Uy. Nangingi ng bola. Binigay kay Erwin Santos. Pinasa kay Mario. Mario tumira ng 3. Mentes. Rebound by number 37. Manuel. Manuel to numbers. Another 2 points.
Hangover pa
Kaya
yan.
nakashoot. Number 55. Talandang for 2. Mario nagkapasahan. Binigay kay 88. Another rebound by Bondo, and it's a shot. A foul by number 65. 2 shots, according to the referee.
January na ulit tayo.
Ang tawag ni Ben Gascon, 2 litro daw para kay Bondo.
Bigay ka kagabi. Para sa January na.
Numero
January, February.
okay, 13 fouls na daw ang team.
Wala tayo pala
Black.
kasi wala sa next month wala tayo.
First shot by Bondo is good. Bondo, tinitira ulit. Second shot is good again. 14-7, kalahati ang score. Lamang ang puti. Solano, no good. Foul, Bondo, 1-8. Shot is not good. Hindi lang. Mario, Bondo, napapasahan. Binigay kay Mario for 3. It's a 3 points by Mario. 5-0. Mario, ba't di kang tumitigipin ngayon? Castres, Senior. Another rebound by number 37. Manuel Castres. It's a traveling by Manuel, number 37. Nagreklamo sila na tinulak daw, pero hindi totoo. Santos, nagdadala ng bola. Nagdadalang bola si Santos, tinira, hindi pumasok. Rebound by Uy, follow up by number 9, Uy for 2.
Samboy Lee.
12-14, dalawa na lang po ang lamang ng puti. Solano, for 2, it's a foul. on number 5, Erwin Santos. 3 team fouls na ang itim. Parehas daw. Wala. Pag-score yung mic na lang daw. Di sige. Solano for the first shot was good. Ayan na, kumagaway-gaway pa si Solano. Pangalawang tira. Solano for the second free throw. Nag-iisip, nag-concentrate, tumira ulit, pasok pa rin. Number 45. Mana? Uy! Who's foul? Foul on number 45, Solano. Warning for penalty, Team White. Traveling. Another 2 minutes by Uy! Uy, gawin mo na! Smile! It's a 2 points by number 45, Solano. Binabigay, kanyang foul kanina. 28 seconds. Bondo dribbling the ball, pass to Mario. Mario for 3. It's another 3 points by Mario. 5-0, 3 points. Hindi nang bigit si Mario ngayon. Seryoso na. Take it. 37, pass to Solano. Solano driving. Nawala, nag-mintes. General Bato for a drive. Mintis pa rin ang tira.
Okay, let's go.
Nauna ang sige sa likod bago ang tira. 17-18, 1 point lang ang lamang ng pude. Sa ball game. Sa pagtatapos ng taong 2025. Okay, kumito lang ang player. Bago kayo magreklamo, pasok na sa loob ng court. Okay, so white ball. White. White. Okay. Okay, now. Nagkagawa sa bola. Paco nakuha mula. Pinasa kay Bautista. Bautista dribbling the ball. Binigay kay Leonard for 2. It's a miss by Leonard. Paco on the rebound. Paco, another hook shot. Nawala pa rin. Si Greg. Greg pass to Ariel. Mintis ang pasa ni Greg. Pasa walang tigil, kaya walang napuntahan.
Pass to no one.
Leonard. Dribbling the ball. Pasa kay Peko. Binigay kay Bautista for 3. Mintis ang tira ni Bautista. Another rebound by Leonard with Paco. Palo. Palo.
Peko, paro.
Palo. Mintis ang bola ni Palo. Anak ta. Anak ta again. Anak ta pa rin ang tira. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Uy. Nakuha ni Peko si Bautista. Bautista to Leonard. Libre. Napakaganda. Nasa lang hindi pumasok ang tira. Bautista on the rebound. Pass to Peko. Peko on Binanda. It's a 2 for Peko. Number 11. Sabay takbong mayaman pagka-shoot ni Peko. Score 2017, 3-point lead. Mario tumira ng 3. This rebound by number 17. Dribbling the ball, pass to Bautista. Bautista for 3. It's a 3 points by Bautista, number 83. Mario nagpapasahan. Binigay kay Acanta. Pinalipad. It's a side ball. Okay, not counted according to the referee. Hold on. Hold on. Balik mo sa 19. Yan, tama na. Referee. Refs, anong decision ng referee, please? Let the table know, refs, anong tawag nyo? Ha? No basket? Okay, it's a final call. No basket. Same ball. Akanta. Anakta. Mintis, binigay kay Peko for Chun. Another rebound by Peko. Pass early Bautista. Pumuesto ng 3 at 3-point shot. Miss. Rebound by Peko to Mario for 3. It's a miss. Peko on the rebound. 11. Arnie Bautista. Nagkaan na pasahan to Palo. Nag-drive. Mintis. Another rebound by Paulo. To Arnie Bautista for 2, no good. Another rebound by 17. Miss again. Big rebound by Akanta, dire-diretso. Wala, mintis ang tira ni Akanta. Akanta. Kala ko Akanta eh. Anakta pala.
Bola. Dito, black, oy! Hindi ko natamaan! Ayun o! Akala ko daw, pasok na. Hindi ko natamaan eh! Bola!
Mario for 3 miss. Rebound by Uy for a 2-point shot. Dos. 20-19 in favor of White. Last touch by Uy. Foul on referee. Ball goes to the White team. 30 seconds. 3-point shot by Bautista, no good. Another rebound by Uy. Pass to Mario. Mario on the drive. Libre. 2-point shot for Mario. Yeah. 15 seconds. 14 seconds. A 3-point shot by Bautista is no good. A rebound by Palo on the drive. And one. Ang tawag ni referee. Okay.
Busy
What's
na
the
dyan.
foul? Number 9 ang foul.
Okay, let's
Foul
go.
on Uy. Counter ang tira ni Palo. May isang libre para si Palo. Tingnan lang natin kung mag-shoot si Palo. May bonus shot para si Palo. Ang ganda ng tira ni Palo, hindi ka pumasok. Ganda daw ng laban sa bunutan. Magsasabunutan si Erwin Santos tsaka si Bondo. Pinasa kay Mario. No good. Another rebound by Erwin Santos to Mario for a attempt. Another attempt of 3. It's a good 3-point shot by Mario.
Money!
Nakakatatlong 3 points na si Mario. 24-25, 1-point lead. Castres for 2.
Pasok!
It's a good shot by Castres. Magkasama sa team ang dalawang magkapatid na Castres. Binigay kay Bondok for 3. In and out. Sayang ang tira ni Bondok. Nandun na. Kaso lang lumabas. Number 65. Foul by Erwin Santos. Side ball at tawag ni referee. Gascon! Ang referee lagi nakangiti. Solano drive the ball. Solano nagkaroon ng papasahan. Knock-out kay Mario. Libre si Mario for 2. Leading scorer na si Mario. Birthday ni Mario ngayon. 37, Manuel. To Casters. Casters for 2. No good. A rebound by Solano. It's a follow-up shot by Solano. Number 45 for 2. Bondo, grab the ball. Pass to Erwin Santos. Erwin Santos. Derecho. Tumira Binanda. Wala. Rebound by Bondo. Still miss. A rebound by Casters. Foul on number 5. Erwin Santos. Santos, 3 foul. Second team foul for the black team. Tatlo. Solano dribbling the ball. Solano nag-iisip. Naagaw, nag-isip ulit. Nag-iisip si Solano, tumira, hindi pumasok. A rebound by Erwin Santos. Erwin Santos can drive. Diretso Erwin for 2. It's a good drive by Erwin Santos, 2 points. Binawi niya yung foul niya. Kahit marami daw foul, nakakashoot naman siya. 65 for 3, no good. A rebound by Uy. Pass to Bondok, Bondok to Mario for another tip of 3-point shot. It's a miss. A rebound by Manuel. Manuel dribbling the ball.
Manueldo.
Naagaw ang pasa, nakuha ni Bondok. Libre-libre si Bondok. Napakalaki ng ngiti ni Bondok for 2. Ayan na si Bondok. Tuwan-tuwa sa 2 puntos. Lamang na ang black ang team ni Bondok. Another rebound by Mario. Pass to Bondok for another drive. Back to Mario. Mario for 3. Nag-attempt. Wala. And Uy. Mabol. Bondok to Uy. Uy for 2. It's a miss by Uy.
Sorry, miss.
Uy. This to Manuel for 3. With this rebound by Erwin Santos. Erwin Santos. Dinala ang bola. Gusto nang iuwi. Tinira diretso for 2. Erwin Santos for 2 points. Black is leading by 3 points now. Change favor na ang lamang. Lamang na ang itim sa puti. Puti. Another. Bolo. Kinapos ng takbo. Diretso.
Kalma lang, kalma.
Casters in the drive. Casters pass to Solano. Solano for 2.
Nice.
Good. 2 shots by Solano. 32-31 in favor of black team. Mario. Looking for Greg. Greg no good. Tinapon ni Greg. It's the last touch. It's a white ball. Last touch on black. 6 seconds on the shot. 3, 2. Okay, third quarter na po tayo. Hindi naman talaga eh. So, okay, change po. Third quarter na. First right and third quarter. Okay, malinaw. Sabi sa inyo eh, hindi ako marunong Tagalog eh. Ay, bye. DJ T. Nulano yan.
Kami ang last na.
Nagulunan. Change court. Dito lang, right? Change court. It's a very fast control. It's a white ball. It's a white ball, change court.
Nice,
First time of the third quarter. Bautista, and Emmanuel Dinogo meets Bautista. Pass to Manuel attempting a 3-point shot. It's an in and out. Another rebound by number 17. 17 to early Bautista. Dribbling the ball, naghanap ng pasahan, palo to number 17. It's a foul. No, it's foul on Mario. According to the referee, Arnold, it's a foul. Dalawa sa referee na nagde-decide. So, okay, referee, sa yung final call nyo. White ball foul on Mario, 5-0. It's a blank ball, Mintis. Who's leading? Okay.
Halo sila sa coach dito sa kabila. Yung coach dito sa kabila, parang coach na ng NBA.
It's a blank ball. Ano yung tawag? Foul ba, ref?
Sabihin ko ako nun.
Wala, out lang daw. Side ball, no foul.
Talo sila.
Outside ka. No foul. It's a south ball.
Kaya pala.
Pasa naman. Bautista for 2. It's a good shot. Bautista, 2. White. Lamang na White by 1 point. Mario on another 3-point attempt by Mario, no good. A rebound by Manuel. Manuel dribbling the ball. Pass to Peko. Naghanap ng babasahan to number 17, no good. 17 follow-up shot. It's a good 2-point shot by number 17. 31-32, 3-point lead by the white team. Erwin Santos. Dribbling the ball, naghahanap ng babasahan. Binigay kay Greg for 2, no good. It's a foul on Palo. Palo, 3 fouls. 2 shots for Greg Anakta for 2 free throws. Ayan na, ang number 88, 18, Anakta. Unang tira ni Anakta, pasok ang 8-8. Sasayaw na ng 8-8 si Greg. 8-8. Ayan na po. Nakahanda na sa pagsasayaw. Pumasok ang pangalawang tira. Kamot muna 8-8. Rebound by Peko to Manuel. Manuel tumira ng 2. No good. Rebound by Erwin Santos. Nagre-reklamo pa sa referee si Santos. Rivera, the dribble, binigay kay Arthur. Arthur pinasa kay Greg Acanta, 18 to Mario for 3. No good. Rebound by Manuel. Pass to Peko. To Palo for 2. It's good. 2-point shot by number 91, Palo. Santos the drive, Santos derecho for 2. It's a good shot by Erwin Santos. Yeah, it's a fast break for Arnie Bautista. It's 2 points for Arnie Bautista. 36-39 in favor of White. Greg Acanta.
Anakta.
Greg Anakta. 8-8. Palo to Ernie. Ganda na pasa ni Ernie. Kaso lang pinangsalo ni Palo. Ayun niya. Mga may bigote. Kaso lang Mario. Nagdidribble ng bola to Greg. 8-8. Pumembot ulit at nag-dribble. Hindi lang nga pumasok. 8-8. To Arthur. Napakagandang tira na Arthur.
Tinapon.
Bautista on the drive. To number 17. Derecho for 2 points. 17 for 2 points. Okay, 7-5 for third quarter.
Okay, let's go.
Next possession. Kay Mario, pinasa ni Bondok. Bondok, nag-iisip ng papasahan, dinaretso, dinaright. Binigay kay Mr. Uy for 2. It's a mintis. A rebound by Mr. Who's foul? 6-5, Karandam. Second foul on Karandam, second team foul. Uy on the shot, Uy mintis, rebound by Casters. Foul number 18, Bondok. Bondok, 3 fouls. Tawag ni Ben Gascon, it's a white ball. Black ball down. Sorry, my bad. Bondok. Bondok, dribbling the ball, Bondok. Pass to 8-8. 8-8 to 18 to Mario for 3. No good. A rebound by Uy. No good. Rebound by Manuel. Manuel to Solano. Solano dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng papasahan. Hindi pinasap. Binalibot pa rin. Solano. Nag-iisip to Peko. Peko dribbling the ball. 65. Back to Solano. Solano on the drive. Naagaw ni Uy. Back to Solano. It's a foul on Solano, number 45. Solano, dalawa lang foul nun. 13 foul, White. Stay daw kay Mario. Tawag ni coach. Erwin Santos for 2, no good. Rebound by 8-8. Kebot muna 8-8 for another 2 points. Greg Acanta. Rebound by Solano to Manuel. Manuel to Castres. It's a foul on Castres. 28. Harry. Tinawagan. Kita-kita daw ang Harry ni Castres. Warning for penalty ang White. Mario on a 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Peko. Magsakol sa kami ni Peko. Actually, hindi rebound yun. Pero bigay ni Peko to 65. 65 on the drive. No good. Rebound by Erwin Santos. To Bondo. Bondo dribbling the ball. 8. Nagdadala ng bola to Erwin Santos for 2. No good. It's a rebound by Castres. Number 65. Dribbling the ball. Alok ko now. Back to Solano. Solano number 37. 37 to Peko. Peko for another 2-point shot. No good. Erwin Santos on the rebound. To Mario. Mario. Dribbling the ball. Mario to Bondo. Bondo to Mario again for another 3-point attempt. It's no good. Rebound by Solano. Solano. Dala-dala ang bola. Tumaba at nag-isip. Puminto, pinasa kay Peko. Peko for 2. No good. Rebound by Erwin Santos. Santos. Pinasa kay Castres. It's a turnover for Black Team to Peko for a 2-point shot. Nag-is ang banda ni Peko. Wide pa rin ang bola. Still, they have the ball. Manuel for 3-point attempt. No good. Another rebound by White Team. Another shot by Manuel. Still no good. White ball still have the possession. Out daw sa team kay Greg. 8-8. Peko to 65 to Solano. Pinigay Solano for another shot. Hinanda. Napakagandang tira ni Solano. It's a 38-45. 7-point game for the White Team. 16 seconds left for the third. Okay, it's 9 seconds left on the shot. Okay, simula na ang fourth quarter. Fourth quarter na to. Ulit paglalaban ng D for dog and F for fox. Warning on Team White, technical. Team White, warning. 45-38 in favor of White Team. Lamang ng 7 points ng White pero meron na silang warning. Technical. Ang tawag. Director si Ben Gascon. Right point kanina blocker. Hindi kami pwede magkamali dito. Alam mo. This is a fourth quarter. First part of the first quarter. Actually, 10 minutes na to. 10 minutes. Last quarter. Early Santos for 3 points. Early Bautista. 3 points. Unang pagkakataon na nakashoot si Ernie Bautista. Drive by Erwin Santos. Good. 2 points for Erwin Santos. Yeah. Okay, Manuel. Nagkaroon na papasahan to Ernie. Follow.
Oh, no.
Good. Binigay kay Leonard. Leonard, no good. 8-8. Abdul. Magsasolo na. Number 61 on the drive. No good. Rebound by Palo. To Ernie Bautista. Bautista for 3-point attempt. It's no good. Santos the rebound. Santos the drive. Santos pass to Arthur. Arthur no good. Rebound by Palo. Pass to number 17. 17 to Leonard. Leonard back to 17. 17 driving. Foul number 88. Foul on 8-8. Tinawag na referee. Foul 8-8. It's a good attempt by Palo. It's a 2-point for Palo. Yeah. 8-8. Dribbling the ball up. 8-8. 8-8. Anak na. To Ernie Santos for 2. Early trying. Binanda no good. A rebound by Manuel.
Arthur.
Foul on 61. Sa baba ang tawag. No good. The basket is not good. Then Santos. Ernie for another 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by Ariel. Ariel on the drive. Diretso. Pinabayaan. Mintis ang tira ni Ariel. Arnel. Nalilito na ako sa pangalan. Magulo. A foul on Uy. Number 9. 3 key fouls on the black. Wala akong salamin. Sila nga pumasok sa Milan Paco. Ani Palo. 91. 8-8. May dalang bola. Panay ang report ni 8-8. Parang 8-8. Yeah. Erwin Santos. Na-intercept ni Santos. Ang pasa ni Palo. Erwin Santos the drive for 2 points. It's a good.
Yes.
Solano for 2 points. Yeah. On a dead ball. Ref samtal sa dead ball, ha? 8-8 to number 5 to Mr. Uy for 2. It's good. 2-point shot. Rebound by 8-8. Naagaw ni Palo for 2. Palo, what a good follow-up by Palo. To Arnel to Arthur. A 2-point shot by Arthur.
Ganun lang.
Time out on the white team.
Yung score sa scoreboard hindi gumagalaw.
Score!
Yung score! Dalawa na. Yung scoreboard.
Na ano eh. Ano sa trabaho na.
Kaya nag-team. Time out, white team, white. The score is 45 in favor of the white. Nag-time out ang white. Tama yung score, 45, right? White ang nag-time out, white. White ang nag-time out.
Tama ba?
Nakashoot ang black.
Hindi na record.
Bondo. To Ernie Bautista for 3. No good. Rebound by Solano. Follow up by Solano. It's a 2-point shot by Solano. Number 45. Bondo on the drive. Bondo. Pinasa kay Uy on a shot. It's a good shot by Uy. 2 points.
Good coaching.
Ernie Bautista on a 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by Uy Peralta. To Bondo. Bondo to Mario for 3-point shot. 3 points. Mario. 51-57. 6-point lead by by white team. Peko, Corey Bautista, back to Peko, back to Bautista, naagaw, back to Bautista for another 3-point shot, no good. A rebound by Castres to another pangatlong 3-point shot ni Bautista ay pumasok na. It's a 3-point shot. 51-60 in favor of white. 9-point lead by the white team. Ernie Santos. Another drive by foul on number 25. Foul on number 25. May substitute. Yeah. Sub down. Okay. 53.
Best, tapos lang
Five
yun.
more, no?
Best of the player.
NBA yan, pang NBA.
Ocho. Tumembo nila sa free throw. Nawala. Tira ni 8-8. Rebound by Erwin Santos. Erwin Santos na follow-up na foul by Castres. Number 2-5 for a foul. Castres. Another foul by Castres. Third foul na. Erwin
Shot is
Santos.
good.
First free throw is good by Erwin Santos. Number 5. Attempting for the next free throw. It's another free throw by Erwin Santos. Castres on the dribble ng bola. Pass to Ernie Bautista for another three-point shot. No good. Rebound by Bondo on the drive. Bondo. No good. Rebound by Manuel. Manuel. Namintis ang bola. Nakuha ni Uy. Another drive by Bondo. Sa 57-16. Yeah. 3-point game. Lumalapit na ang team. Another 3-point shot by Ernie Bautista. No good. It's a foul on Solano. Number 45. Foul.
Wala.
Subbed out. Warning for penalty and white. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. See you. Ang tawag ni referee, it's a technical shot called by
Anim.
a technical shot is good. Brad, di ba isa lang ang technical shot o dalawa? Isa lang ang technical shot. Okay. Technical shot was good. It's a clock possession.
Wala, yun na. Yan na.
Uy on attack. It's a good shot by Uy. Score is all.
60 all.
60 all. It's a good game. Digita ng laban. Ngit-gita ng digdigan ng dibdib. Punutan ng ngipin ang labanan. Hindi at F. Bautista on a left and a foul on number 50. Foul on Mario. Warning for penalty. Okay. Bautista. Bondo got the ball. Bondo grabbing pass to Mario. Mario attempting a three-point shot. And it's a three.
Money.
Mario.
Money.
It's a change favor. Lamang na ng tatlo ang team. Early on a three-point shot. Attempt is no good. Rebound. Another three-point attempt by Ernie Bautista. No good. Rebound by Solano. It's a miss. Nakuha ni Ernie Santos to Mario. Mario Resolé. Another three-point shot by Mario. It's good.
Money.
Umuulan ng tres kay Mario. 66-60, biglang iba ang favor. Lumabang na ng anin. Manuel for a three-point shot, no good. A rebound by Uy. Solano, okay, it's a jump. Penalty, Solano, foul. Solano for foul. Biglang nagbago ang timpla ng team. Lamang ang itim ng 6 points.
Number 1 na tayo.
Lamang ng 6. Dalawang tres ni Mario.
Ganun lang.
Wala na. Yeah, 66. Lamang ng 6. Mario nagpaulan ng 5 3 points. Foul sa Solano. Ref, sino yung final ni Solano? Sino yung final ni Solano?
Si Uy! Uy!
Uy! Pupunta sa free throw line si Uy. Unang pagkakataon ng pagtira ni Uy, nagpintis. Uy, bakit nag-uwi yung tira mo? It's 1 minute and 43 seconds. Second attempt by Uy, it's good. Point. 67-point lead by Black Team. Follow the drive, no good. Follow the rebound to Manuel. Manuel got the rebound. 67-62. 5-point lead. Uy on the drive. Uy to Bondo. Bondo. Over the ball. Bondo. Pass to Santos. Santos back to Bondo. Bondo to Ocho. Ocho on the drive. No good. Foul, Palo. 2 shots for Ocho. Penalty, fourth foul on number 91, Palo. Napakagandang labanan na ito sa pagtatapos ng taon 2025. 8-8. Ang Gembo, lumabas tuloy ang tira. 8-8. Anakta sa free throw line. Tira sa may Gembo, pumasok ang pangalawang free throw ni Anakta. 1 minute 6 seconds. Solano on the drive. Solano for a big shot, no good. Another rebound by Solano. It's a foul. Ref, who's the foul? Number 5? Penalty, 2 shots. Lima na nga eh. Lima. First shot is good by Palo, number 91. Sabi ni Palo, pag hindi tumas, last shot, pag hindi pumasok ang tira ni Palo, papaluin daw kayo niyan. Second shot is not good. Rebound by Ocho. Anakta. Follow number 17, 2 shots. 2 shots. Penalty, it's 2 shots for Bondo. Kaya may dalawang pa kayo. Dalawang. Ayan na, nasa free throw line na si Bondo. Umembot ng marami, sabay tumira, pasok, first shot is good. 69-63. Last shot for Bondo. Next free throw attempt is no good. A rebound by number 17. Pinantayan ni Bondo, ayaw pa lang palapitin. Pass kay Palo, the drive. Palo to Manuel. It's a turnover. Number 50 at the ball. Number 15. And a foul on Ernie Santos. Sa 2-point. Foul number 83. Foul number 83. Oh, time out daw ang Steve. Nanasal pa. Time out daw ang Black. Nangasal pa. Magtatapos na lang. Pumapalak pagpangit. Isa 21 seconds. 63-69. Solano, ano nangyari sa'yo? Si Mario nagpaulan ng maraming tres. Mukhang nanalo kahapon ko ng Pusoy Dos.
Pusoy Dos, talaga na. Magaling pala, Pusoy Dos.
Nanalo ng poker si Mario. Ahanin na rin.
Hindi ko nga alam mag-Pusoy Dos.
Ako rin.
Okay. It's time. Back on the court. Sa huling taon ng 2025.
Tingnan natin alamin yan, paano, hindi na.
Puti sa itim.
Kasi punadik ka.
Mananalo, mukhang mananalo ang itim na pusa sa puting pusa.
Kailangan pa.
Nasa free throw line si Mario. Nagpaulan ng 6 ng 3 si Mario ngayon. Buenas yan. Birthday ni Mario ngayon. Pati ang free throw, pasok pa rin. What was that? 70-63. It's a 7-point game. Another free throw by Mario. It's no good. Rebound by Palo. Palo to Solano. Na-rebound ni Bondok. Bondok holding the ball. 13 seconds left. Foul on Solano. Solano, 5 fouls. Kunin mo na yung diploma mo. 9 seconds left. You got your diploma. Graduate ka na. Thomas. Pang AI yan. Pasok at tira. Botok, baka buenas ka ngayon. Ang dami ng tira. Ganun pala yun pag galing sa banyo. O, epekto daw ng alcohol, sabi ng referee, kaya nakakashoot. Nagmintis tuloy. Rebound. Pinasa kay Mario. Nagagdagan na naman ang score ni Mario. Okay. Sa huling pagtatapos ng taong 2025, Mario at Cleveland.
Game over.
Hindi makapaniwala. Ang hindi naniniwala. Nanalo. Hindi dapat nanalo.
Come on.